Good afternoon everyone, welcome back with me again. Let's do the motor vlog again, guys. Let's drive around in this area. This is Jalan Plawa, and later let's drive to Jalan Champlong, Tanuk, and let's see what is happening at the moment. That is a big project here. I think they are fixing the drainage here, so you can see a lot of things here. Looks not really good at the moment here, but let's drive slowly in this area, guys. But the roads here looks not really good. I know there are some accommodation in this area, like here on the right side, for example, there are private villas, Villa Fabian, and also there are some businesses ongoing, like cafe or restaurants in this area. But so far, as you can see, is it maybe because of the project? Almost no one walking around in this area. Still big project ongoing. I think they are fixing the drainage, so this area will not be flooding again, which is good. Hopefully I can pass through here. Yeah, I think this area, it was like bad flooding before, guys, and now they have like big project ongoing. So yeah, let's hope the best. So no more flooding in the future. Okay, let's continue. Do you have any of your favorite place in this area? And there was a nice warung actually here before, but I couldn't see it now. Is it closed already? Hopefully it's still here. It was babi guling warung, guys, in this area. Yeah, but I don't know where is it. Hopefully it's still there. But yeah, this is the situation at the moment. There are some spas or massage, laundry service. And this one is another spa here. Yeah, nothing much is happening. There are a few tourists walking around. I think they are staying here. Maybe they are going somewhere or go to the beach maybe to see the sunset. Another spa massage, and there is a bar here, guys. Yellowstone bar. Such a favorite bar. Wow, look at that. It's really busy. That is the only one bar I think here, yeah. Okay, we are arriving here at the main street. This is Jalan Raya Seminyak, and this time let's drive slowly to Jalan Champlong, Tanuk. It is really difficult to cross this road because it's a busy road. And there is a goat bar here, guys, just on the right side here. Okay, let's drive slowly. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, let's keep driving. This is Jalan Champlong, Tanuk. This is your favorite area to stay or to visit maybe. This area, Jalan Champlong, Tanuk, is almost similar like other streets in this area in Seminyak. A lot of businesses were going, restaurants, bar, and what is this here? Frankenstein laboratory. It's getting busy, and all the shops are still open. And sashimi, Japanese food, if you like, they are open. And also here, mozzarella restaurant and bar. They are preparing themselves for dinner because now it's around 5:30, almost 6 o'clock actually. So soon there will be dinner time. And last time someone asked me about this Galaxy Spot bar. I think it's still here, guys. It's just right here on the left side. It's such a favorite bar. I think they've been here for so many years already, yeah. Italian restaurant. Anyway, talking about restaurants, there are a lot here. Italian, Western, and Greeks as well. Indian restaurants, of course. Like here, this is new, guys. Gateway of India. This is new. Next to it, here's the Bash Spot Bar. But look at this here. This place is gone. And this one, Warung Indonesia. But look at that here in front of us. Unfortunately, this place closed down. It was a restaurant I think before. But yeah, this is the situation. Not all the business doing well. Some are okay, but some unfortunately they are not doing well. And here is the Greek restaurant. It looks not really busy. I mean, compared to other Greek restaurant in Seminyak area or Legian, like the one that's in the Double Six area, it's always busy, guys. Every time I go there, there are some people there enjoying the food, the drinks. Another Italian, or Indian restaurants here. Lucky Day Spot Bar. It's also been there for a very long time. And all the shops. I've been to the shops inside here as well. It's kind of like a, what you call that, small area for a night market. Sorry, the art market, I mean. So you can do a lot of shoppings as well there. But is it like too many shops? Maybe. Here also, on the left side, like endless shops. But what is this? Branded Ink. New big tattoo studio here. So more and more tattoo studios in this area. Seminyak Paradiso Hotel. They're adding some restaurants area, I think here, or bar. This is the Marriott Hotel here. Is it your favorite hotel to stay? I think the location is really good. Marriott Hotel, and also here the Blue Z Resort. This is good as well. As you go to the right here, you will go to Jalan Arjuna and you will arrive at Jalan Kayu Aya. Oh, there's a DJ music now here. Unfortunately, it's a bit cloudy. Maybe you can't see clear sunset at the beach. This is Dua Sisi, and this hotel, it's really, how to say it, last time it went viral because it was very good price, very cheap price. But I don't know, maybe the price has changed now. Okay, let's go here. Not really sure what project here. People cleaning this area. I think they are using it for parking area maybe, yeah. Along this route, you will see some hotels as well. Some hotels, they have access directly to the beach, like Legian Bali Hotel, and also, what else, yeah. The Puri Saron also located here. What is this? Raja Garden Hotel, but this one, I'm not really sure if they have access directly to the beach. This is Legian Bali. Is it your favorite hotel to stay? Okay, let's go to this small alley. It will lead us to go to the beach, guys. Hopefully, there is no other scooters coming from the other side. Otherwise, it is a really narrow alley. But it's good to drive in this kind of area. Sometimes you will get some surprise. Okay. Last time I walked at the beach, this is one of the most popular, maybe I can say, yeah. Legian, Kuta, and Double Six as well. You can find a lot of restaurants, cafe in this area. Wow, it's really busy. Look at this. So many scooters, cars. Not only international tourists, a lot of local people also that like to spend their time at this beach. Even though a lot of tourists also they like to go to Canggu or Uluwatu now, but still this place is one of the popular area for tourists to visit. And look at this apartment. I think the project has stopped here. Not really sure what is happening. Running out of money maybe. Sinking Ken Boutique. It was the name of the hotel. But now it is stopped. Oh, not really sure. Let's see in the future. I don't see people still working here. And this is Jalan Arjuna. I think, yeah, a lot of you know about this area. This is your favorite warung murah. But you can have like good, cheap Indonesian food. Okay, let's drive slowly. Let's keep going straight. This going straight is only for scooter, guys. If you drive car, it's not possible to driving straight to go to this area because it's one way for the car. For the scooters, only two ways. But you need to be careful when you drive because, as you can see, the road is small and people parking on the road as well, so make it smaller. It's harder to move around here. But it's good to see this area seems still really busy. A lot of tourists walking around or roaming around in this area, shopping, to go to their favorite cafe or a restaurant. At least the business is still running in this area. Look at that Santorini, guys. It is really busy. Like I mentioned before, Santorini here, Greek restaurant. At this time, it's full already. They must be doing really good business. And we are getting closer to the main street, guys. So what do you think about this area? Would you like to stay around here maybe? Along Jalan Champlong Tanuk or here on Jalan Arjuna? I think it is a nice area, very close to the beach. Anyway, you can get everything in this area. Okay, so that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.